We got an ice storm going on here, South Carolina. It's unfortunate, a lot of power lines down. Like this is a once in maybe a 8, 7, 9 year event. It's unreal out here today. Got a lot of ice on the road, reminds me of Canada, except a lot warmer. We're just clearing the road here. A lot of trees down, and we're just trying to get the road clear so these homeowners can get back into their house. Wow, about 6 inches of snow. We got the road clear, so fixing to take off here now. Oh, I'll tell you what, there's a lot of trees down over here in South Carolina.